Simply click, click, click to make $1,000 in just 5 clicks. I'm not sure how that's even possible, but you're in luck because in today's video, I'll be showing you a brand new website that only a select few individuals are using to make a ton of money online. All you have to do is watch this video and follow our step-by-step guide. Now, if you skip any section of this video, you might get lost trying to navigate the website on your own, so stick with me here. This procedure works in any country and may be completed using either a smartphone or a computer. I'll also show you a bonus tip for increasing your profit without putting in any effort. So, without further ado, take out your devices and let's get started making money online. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. In today's video, the latest website that I want to share with you is this right here in front of your screen. As you can see here, the money that you're able to make can range from $2 up to $101. There are also various categories that you can explore on this website. Now, before I show you how to start making money here, I want to tell you how this website actually works. So, in this website, you're not selling anything. Rather, you're making people click on the links provided on this website. This platform is an affiliate offer search engine that helps you find affiliate programs and CPA offers. Now, I know that some of you guys may be unfamiliar with this website, so stick with me until the end of this video while I guide you through the whole video process. Now, I want you to go ahead and hover your mouse to the search bar. It will show you the top trending categories which you can focus on and start browsing on the categories that can possibly make you the most amount of money fast. The first category on the list is dating, followed by mobile weight loss, SOI, Nutra, and so on. As a tip, the most amount of money that you can make based on the different categories is the health and weight loss categories. Now, go ahead and click on the button so that you can see the different links offered. For this video, we'll be focusing on the health category. Now, as you can see here on this offer, you can make $30. Then, below that, another offer pays you $101. Also, the money that you can make on this website is unlimited. Now, isn't that amazing? On this website, you can make multiple income streams just by doing one thing, and that particular thing is, as we said in the intro, clicking. As a quick example, I'll be using this Pure Health Research by Guru Media for $91. Don't worry, you won't need to sell anything here. You just have to share their link to different websites, and once people click on that link, you'll earn money. It's as simple as that. It requires no skills and no experience at all. Now, to proceed to the next step, click on the blue button that says Join Network. It will take you to a page where it asks you if you're an advertiser or an affiliate. For this step, just choose the affiliate or publisher where it says Get me better payouts, more offers, and weekly payments. It will then take you to the sign up page which can be completed within a few minutes. You can see over here that there is a statement highlighted in yellow, so keep in mind that partial or incomplete submissions will be rejected. Here on the contact information section, just simply type in your basic personal information and don't forget to complete the sign up page so your application won't be rejected. But before we proceed to another step on making money online, this website we're using right now is called affplus.com. Just go to affplus.com and do what we showed you. Once you're done, they'll give you your unique affiliate link. This affiliate link will then be shared online so people can click on them. Now, I know that sharing links manually can be tiring, so for that part, I'll share with you guys a website that will combine links. What this means for you is that you can share a lot of offers from different links in just one place. When you send people to that single link, people will get to click like 5, 6, and even up to 10 different offers. The best part about this website is that you can build multiple streams of income in just one place. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I want money online, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might be even cooler than this. So comment I want money online down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or phones. So let's get back to the video now. Okay, now let me show you exactly how it works. First, we're gonna go to the website where we can combine all of our links, and that is with the website linktr.ee or Linktree. You can see this blank space here. This is where you can put in one link for free. When you use Linktree, you can easily manage all of your links in one place. Once you share your unique link to all of the different places on the internet, it will show the people the different link offers that you've placed on that stream. As an example, scroll down to the bottom of the page and check out the different existing streams on Linktree. Here you can see that Selena Gomez is using Linktree as well. Once you click on her link, you can see the multiple links in just one link. On the first link, it features her latest song. On the second link, it takes you to her shop, and so on and so forth. Now, that is something that we want, especially since we need people to click on our link. But before anything else, make sure that you sign up for an account on Linktree. You can find the sign up button on the upper right corner of the homepage. Signing up on Linktree is pretty easy. You can just put in your username, which is the link that will take you to the stream. Don't forget to type your email and password in as well. It only takes a few seconds to sign up in Linktree, then you're actually required to put in your name. So for me, I'm just gonna put in digital cash flow. Before that, choose up to 3 different categories that best describe your Linktree. As an example, I'll pick health and wellness since the links I will be displaying are about health. With that, what's left to do is click on I'm not a robot and finish the verification process. For this part, just choose the free option because you're gonna get all the basic functions, then click on continue the free option. Remember to check your email for verification. Also, for this part, I'll be showing you how to set up a link inside of your Linktree account. Now, when you land on the main page, you're gonna see this button that says add a new link. Just click on the green button, and then you can add your first link right here. Now, this part is completely optional, but you can list the different links by the amount that they'll pay you. For the first link, I want you to find an offer that will pay you the most amount of money. For example, I want to share this link of this Terra Health Essentials Advanced Probiotics for $45.50. I'm just gonna grab the link and then go back to Linktree. We're gonna paste the link right here, and for the title, I'll type something like be active in life right now. And then I'm gonna click on this bar right here to turn them on. Now we have our first link, and when people click on this link, they're gonna go over to the official website. Okay, so for the second link, I'll be using this Rhino Spark Men's Health by Ambalaya affiliate for $30. So I'll grab my unique affiliate link from here, then paste it on Linktree. For this one, I'll switch up the title and put in check how healthy you are with this link. After that, I'll just click on the link to turn it on, and it will be accessible for the viewers of your Linktree stream. And for the rest of the links, keep doing the same thing over and over until you have about 6 to 7 links on your Linktree. So say we finished our Linktree stream. Now what we have to do is find a way to get a lot of people to click on your link so that you can make money on complete autopilot. Now what you're gonna do is just copy your Linktree link and then go on to Twitter. Now I know you guys already have Twitter anyway, so this will be an easy step for you. Now once you go into Twitter, search for something like how to be healthy, or type in different keywords that can be linked to weight loss, or it really depends on what you're trying to promote really. Just reply to their tweets with your Linktree, where you can tweet your unique link along with a few call to action statements. Then you can repeat the steps again and again. Using this method, I guarantee you that you'll make a ton of money on a daily basis on complete autopilot because of this new website, which is Linktree. So with that, go on and do this on your own and earn a ton of money online. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.